As of now, when I am recording this video, there are more than 1 lakh cases of coronavirus in India, out of which 42,000 people have recovered successfully and total 3,000 deaths has been reported till now. The biggest question here arises is whether making people quarantine and giving them adequate medicine is the only cure of this global pandemic. If we look at India, the base of our medical system is itself weak, then how we can promise people adequate medical facilities? It is really shocking that we are the same country that aspires to become 5 trillion economy and the same country that is lacking in providing adequate medical facilities to coronavirus patient.
The lockdown allows you the time and space to put in medical resources, to ramp up your testing ability, to prepare your hospitals, to get ventilators, to create the type of architecture that is required to fight the virus when it picks up again.
Not only the adequate medical facilities are the things which we need to think of, but also the fund which is allocated by the Indian government to fight this global pandemic. Recently, 2,000 crore rupees have been allocated from PM Care Fund for 50,000 ventilators, which means 4 lakh rupees per ventilator. By seeing price per each ventilator, the question here arises, is someone making big money out of this fund? Currently, we had about 40,000 ventilators both in public and private hospitals. But many of the ventilators in the government hospitals were dysfunctional. The government need to answer why do we need ventilators costing around 4 lakh rupees per each when several other institutions came forward with the ventilators costing around 1.5 lakh rupees per piece. Even that is not the end of the story. 3 weeks ago, Bangalore-based Dynamic Technologies, an engineering product manufacturing company, told that it has developed a disposable ventilator prototype, which would work without electricity and which would barely cost 2,500 rupees. Recently, IIT Roorkee has also developed an indigenous ventilator costing around 25,000 rupees. And last month, Indian Railway Kapurthala Rail Coach Factory also developed a low-cost ventilator costing around 10,000 and made it known that it has taken permission of ICMR for mass production of it. The key question is, if we have quality products lined up by our frontline government organizations at affordable price, then why government has allocated 4 lakh per piece to buy 50,000 ventilators, which is 1600% higher cost than what has been quoted by IIT Roorkee and 4,000 higher than what Indian Railway has offered. Why do we need 4 lakh rupees per each ventilator if our government organizations are offering low-cost ventilators? These are some questions which government need to answer and need to clarify it to the public. Do tell your views regarding it in the comment section. And for more further updates related to politics and contemporary issues, do subscribe to my channel.